Guangzhou Missgel Limited Company was established in 2011. Our associated factory located in Heyuan, China. We are a large and advanced manufacturer specialized in UV, LED nail gel products. With stable customers from many countries, especially Spain, UK, Poland, Japan, Russia, Ukraine. We have been delivering qualified products overseas marketing. We have developed several new products: two-step gel polish, no bone, no base, mood change gel polish, metallic gel polish, cat eye gel polish, chameleon gel polish, and pink jelly gel, which also are popular products. We have our own brand, Missgel, but we welcome OEM and ODM orders too. Our factory introduced advanced production technology from America, GMP certified of dust-free workshop, an automatic glue pouring line, and professional engineers specialized in R&D. Here we have a professional sales team who will provide the quality pre-service and customer service to you. At the same time, we also offer different bottles to make your private tag, giving you a one-stop service. In addition, we are granted to get MSDS report issued by SGS, MEHQ test certificates, and passed ISO 22716-2007E. Our aim is to offer best service and excellent quality products to satisfy every customer. We are expecting your kind attention and wish to cooperate with you.